Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport. Beautiful car, guys. It's a this car is just it's a 10-year-old nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It's body color underneath, just like it is on the top. We actually bought this car out of Georgia. We bought it from a dealer that had this car in his private collection. And again, this is a true 138 Super Sport. Car was restored, he said, back to factory specs. It's got 89,000 original miles on the car. He said there's just a couple thousand miles on the car since it's been restored. And it is slick, guys. The only thing we did to this, we actually put the red lines on it in the rallies. He had a different set of aftermarket wheels on it, and I just love these. Those are actually brand new from Coker Tire. Those are BF Goodrich Silvertown redline radials. They're not the bias ply, so you get the good ride out of them. But gorgeous car, guys. Not a whole lot you can really pick. Again, 10-year-old rotisserie restoration. There's a little crack there in the paint. He said that's actually been there for a while, so not anything that I would mess with. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Car runs and drives excellent, guys. Drove it down there in Georgia. Just a good, tight car. This is a factory color combination, butternut yellow. The car came factory with a black vinyl top and black interior. It's also a factory 4-speed car. A lot of cool options with that 4-speed. It's also got the blinker tach, which is one of the coolest options, in my opinion, they had in the 60s in these cars. But great car. They've added a power rear antenna. It was a factory rear antenna car, and they added the power to it. It's got one of those custom Audiosounds radios in it. We got it up in the air and got a couple of nice photos for you, so we'll make sure we get those posted. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, brand new rubber. Those are 15x7 rallies with the flat caps. If you can see inside that fender well there, you can see its body color. Sorry guys, just a little dust on there. Great car, man. Quality car. And of course, 66, 67 Chevelles right now are as hot as can be. They converted it to disc brakes. This is a 67 date coated. Now, it's not a matching numbers engine, but it is a 67 date coated 396, 3¼ horse engine, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. So when the motor was gone through, it was built right back to factory specs. It is a factory Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission. It's got a dual exhaust. It's also got a 12-bolt rear end. It's a 323 limited slip with a rear sway bar. And like I say, the car drives excellent. This is the original power steering unit, and again, they've converted to power front disc brakes. Sorry guys, it looks nice out here, but it's just wicked cold, man. I love the flat caps. Pretty car, man. We've got a couple of new cars that we're going to try to knock out today real quick. So unfortunately, we got weather that's coming in, and then I'm leaving for a show. See how nice that A-pillar chrome and the mirrors are, new door fuzzies. We added the black pinstripe, that's tape. If you don't like it, you can pull it right off. Steady Eddie actually put that on there. See the door rubbers are nice. Standard black vinyl interior. It's got new carpet, new sill plates. This is a quality car, guys. Bucket seats console. It's got the stock shifter. You can see it's got all the correct seat belts. Steering wheel's in good shape. Very cool option. That's your blinker tach. $89,798 on your odometer. It's a factory gauge car. There's your aftermarket radio, and even the clock in there. Yeah, the clock in there works. Again, dual exhaust, 12 bolt rear sway, 323 limited slip. Factory jack and spare in here in the trunk. It's just a little dust, guys. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk. And again, this car is as nice on the bottom as it is on top. It's just a nice car, man. I wasn't able to buy much at our last show, but boy, the stuff we bought was just really premium stuff. And very nicely done underneath. Sorry, the little sticker there is slid out a little bit. Seats are nice, console's in great shape. Really nicely done car, guys. Jay, jump in here and fire it up. How nice that A-pillar chrome is. No big monster cam or anything like that. Like I said, pretty much a standard rebuild, he said. Runs on pump gas. And I'm telling you guys, drives just unreal. Great running and driving car. Put your little blinker tack on there, Jay. Tag, blinker, hit the tack. Tack works. Parking brake, your parking brake light. Parking brake does work. Looks like all your gauges in there working, Jay. Fuel gauges. Yep, all your gauges work. We're gonna go ahead and drive it down the road. It's dry. So, unfortunately, after the day, it won't be like that. More weather coming in. Backup lights work. This is just a nice car, guys. Radio works. Blower motor, Jay? Yep. Blower motor does work. Doors open and close nice. Oh, no, well, they do work. Oh, we found something that didn't work. Believe me, you mess with enough of these old cars, you always find something. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. You want a nice 67 SS, guys, that car is going to be tough to beat right there. Have a great day, guys.